Yeah, right now we are finishing structure in about, we expect to finish in the middle of August, the structure, and then we will finish the whole construction by the end of next year. It's only going to be 2 stories, so it's going to blend with nature. We want to plant some palm trees to see to re- to look at it as it was the Nanki Club back in the past. Yeah, this is aimed for people that like the outdoors, people that like kite surfing. As you know, we have Boca Grande, which is one of the best beaches in the world, I would say. People that can go to Aricoke biking, those type of clientele. It's different from the McDonald's tourism from Palm Beach. So our vision, I think our vision for Cerro Colorado, for San Nicolas has to be something really nice like Cap Cana, like La Romana. We cannot keep on being the ugly duckling of Aruba. This can become, we have to, probably people remember the plan by this gentleman, new mayor from DB. It's beautiful with golf courses. That's the vision. So that's why we're here and we're betting all our bets on Cerro Colorado and San Nicolas. It's only 40 units, but all of the units have views. So it's going to work like a boutique condo hotel. The difference between a hotel and condo hotel is that instead of one owner, it's going to be 40 owners. But the idea is to have a European plan. We don't even have a restaurant. So people can go to San Nicolas and have dinner, have lunch, enjoy the city. So that's why we really want for the government to finish the road that already exists through the refinery. That'd be great.